you are new here, welcome. I hope that you like what you see. Today's video will be a chit chat get ready with me. I'm gonna be doing a yellow look with stars, hopefully. So if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna do my brows and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so my brows are done and I already primed my eyes, so let's get right into it. Today's topic is just gonna be a reflection of some of the things that I'm going through right now. Just being in my early 20s, in the midst of everything else that's going on, you know. And I guess just things that I'm realizing about myself and just about life and, you know, all that type of stuff. But first, I told you I was doing a yellow look, so I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette, and I'm gonna try to use the color Solar. Hopefully it shows up because I swatched it on my finger, but when I tried to like rub it on my hand or my arm, it didn't show up. So let's hope for the best. I guess I want to start the normal things that come with being in your 20s, like finishing college and thinking about grad school, working, stress from people in my family, like, well, what you gonna do? You found a job yet? And I'm like, y'all, calm down, please. Y'all stressing me out. But it's like they just really don't understand. And then on top of all of that, you know, it's kind of like I actually do have a plan with what I want to do with my life and what I want my next steps to be right now after graduating from college. But it's kind of hard to express that to family members that are older because they don't really understand, you know, making money in non-traditional ways. So it's kind of like I would rather just do it first and then, you know, they can see as my career evolves. But like in the meantime, it's just very hard because every time I go around my family or every time I talk to them on the phone, it's like, well, what you doing now? You been looking for a job? You found one yet? And it's kind of like, y'all, like, how y'all doing? Like, what's up with y'all? Like, why you gotta ask me that? Ooh, y'all, I don't know if this gonna show up. It's looking real light. Let me try with my finger. See, I mean, it's doing a little some, but barely. But I mean, I guess I'm just gonna have to keep building it up. Okay, I can kind of see something now. I'm just really gonna have to pack it on, so I see that now. But just getting older, I'm 23 now, and I'm just realizing that I'm becoming a woman, and that's a struggle in itself. Just when you realize how the world is for women, especially living in the US and just being, you know, like we live in a patriarchal society, so it's kind of like a lot of times women are on the receiving end of a lot of bullshit if we keeping it a book. So just understanding like gender dynamics, understanding that as a woman my needs are different from those of a male or people who identify in different ways. It's tough, you know, and like just figuring out how to be feminine in my own way, expressing femininity in a way that feels right for me, you know, stuff like that, which all basically goes into finding myself, discovering who I am, learning myself now, realizing that a lot of the stuff I was taught, a lot of my experiences shaped me in negative ways, you know. Basically it's just a lot of stuff to heal from. And no, like my childhood was not bad, you know. It's just being exposed to the things that I was exposed to, dealing with social anxiety, having people in my life that weren't the best influence, having people constantly project their thoughts, their feelings about me onto me and internalizing it basically. And now I'm trying to dig through all that and just figure out myself, you know, like who I am to me, who I want to be, what I like, what I don't like, how I want my life to be, what I expect, you know, just getting to know me basically. Y'all, this is really upsetting me. Texture is weird. Like I can't really explain it, but it's not like it's not smooth. I don't know, it's not working how I thought it was gonna work, but I'm gonna keep going and try to pull it together. Okay, I think that's fine. I'm gonna take this orange right here, it's called Summer, and I'm gonna go like in my crease area with that just to see if it'll do anything. I mean, Girl, that's like one of the problems I have with getting like color eyeshadow from the drugstore or like Walmart or Target or something. And it's like I just hate it, because if it's showing up like this on me, imagine how it would look on somebody that's even darker. I also just took the Urban Decay Wired palette. I used the color Switch, and it's like an orange shade, kind of similar to the one in the e.l.f. palette, but it's brighter, just to give me a little something, you know. And then I just took the color Peachy from this e.l.f. palette to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow kind of into my brow. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at this, just because I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. I'm gonna do my liner and my lashes off camera, and then I'll come back to start on my face. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and I did a wing and some lashes. These lashes are from AliExpress. I will have them linked down below for anybody who is interested. I went to Sephora a couple of days ago, and I got a few new things to try. One of those being the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm definitely late to trying this, but I really still wanted to try it. And plus I was like, maybe if I get a new primer, I won't forget to prime, because it's new and I'm gonna want to use it. So and hey, I guess it worked out because I'm using it. So
much later.
I finally remember the prime, and now it won't come out. And I'm like, dang, I know it's new, but y'all, I've been pumping for 30 seconds. On second thought, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty hydrating primer, y'all. I'm really trying to remain positive, but my eyes actually don't look bad with my lashes and stuff, so it's fine, I guess. And I love this primer anyway. Back to the topic. I don't even remember what I was saying, but y'all, I still got these balloons for my birthday. I keep balloons until they deflate on their own, because I just love balloons and they just be floating around the house. But anyways, yeah, just trying to define myself the way that I want to and not let the world define me. Finding my purpose. I truly believe that I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match. I truly believe that we are all here for a reason. Like, we all have a purpose, and you know, I'm just making the conscious decision to walk in mine. Hello. But this whole early 20s ordeal is just a huge learning process for me. Learning shit about myself, learning stuff about the world, learning life lessons. And to be honest, so much learning that sometimes I be like, damn, do I gotta learn all this shit right now? Like, can we split it up? Like, can we take a little break? Because it's always something. Like, it's always something. And I don't know if it's just me, like, you know, always trying to find meaning in stuff and making stuff deeper than it really is. But I honestly feel like it's not. Like, I feel like everything that I be going through is just preparing me for who I'm supposed to be in the future. So I don't really be tripping about it. But yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. This video was probably all over the place, but I hope y'all got something from it, to be honest, because this just, like I said, really what I've been dealing with, like what I'm going through at the moment, the stuff that I'm learning right now. You know, I don't know, I don't be knowing. Or even just thinking about old friendships or relationships I had and how much I've changed since then. Things I learned from them that I didn't even realize. And you know, tons of improvements as well. Like I said, it's making me a better person. I'm elevating. And that's one of the things that I appreciate about 2020. Even though it came with a lot of challenges. And it was basically like a big wrecking ball in our reality. I'm thankful for the growth that it has brought. It has opened our eyes to a lot. I learned a lot, still learning a lot, still growing. During the quarantine, you have a lot of time to reflect and just do all the stuff that's good. you know, for you. So I really do appreciate that. And I honestly do feel like I'm becoming who I want to become. And it's really a great feeling. Like, it sounds real cliche to say that I love the woman I'm becoming, but I do, you know. And it's important to love you. And that's another thing I'm thankful for in 2020, you know, just reflecting and just, like I said, learning myself, discovering myself. It really helps you love yourself more. It helps you build confidence. It's just great. That's why, you know, when I do experience minor inconveniences, I just try to stay positive about it, because I know, like, whatever you're going through at the moment is temporary, you know. So better times, they gonna come regardless of what it feel like in the moment. And like I said earlier, I still want to do my star. So I got this star stamp from Milk Makeup, and I only used it once before, but it works great. And when I tell you it's a tattoo stamp, it's a tattoo stamp. Like, it's not gonna come off. It was even hard to get off with my makeup remover, so, but it was cute though. I don't know where I want to do it at. That's the only problem. Last time I did it here, so I could just do one on each side. But this is the finished look. I hope y'all like it. And like I said, I'm so sorry this video was all over the place, but I hope you got something from it. I hope you can relate. If you're going through some of the same things, or if you have any advice, please leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe for more videos like this, hopefully better ones where I use eyeshadows that actually want to cooperate with me. So yeah, see y'all next time, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.